where love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I,
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be building a new PC system. So as you can see right here, we are not literally building the system, but I've gathered the parts list right here, and this build should be able to keep up with any game that you throw at it at 1080p, and the total price is going to be $450. Well, this build in terms of a processor is going to have a Pentium G4560. Great value for money, because as you know, the new Kaby Lake Pentium has hyper-threading enabled. So you got 4 physical cores, 2 logical ones. So it's gonna be able to run even games that require 4 cores without any problem. And the clock speed is not that bad as well. It's 3.5 gigahertz, so it's very good. And let's not forget the price. That is $60 only. Now for the motherboard, we're gonna be going with the ASRock H110M. This is a motherboard for the Skylake processors that came back in the time that the Skylake processors came out, and that's why it's gonna need the BIOS will need to be flashed in order to support the new Kaby Lake G4560. So if you don't have a friend who has, I don't know, a Skylake processor in general, probably you will need the company to flash that you buy it from to flash it for you, if that is possible, of course. Now for RAM, we're going with one stick, 8 gigabytes from Crucial, 2133 megahertz memory. Simple. If you want, we stick around with only one stick, because in the future we will be able to throw another one and go up to 16 gigs of RAM. Now for storage, we're sticking with hard drive, a Western Digital 500 gigabyte hard drive. Very standard, very good hard drive. We're not putting an SSD in this system because it would take the budget a little bit higher, and we don't want that. We want to stick as low as we can. Now for the graphics card, this is another story. We're gonna be going with the GTX 1060 3GB variant from Nvidia. Now this card is going to be very powerful for this system, and you can just upgrade the CPU later on and have a beast PC. It is going to be perfect at 1080p, and not say even at 40p in some games. For the case, we're going with the Xeon 310 Micro ATX midi tower case, which goes only for $22, $21 at the end with the reduction in prices and all that stuff. And for the power supply, we're going with a standard 400 watt EVGA power supply. It is going to be enough to provide juice to the system, and even probably if you upgrade the CPU later on. So this is the parts list. Probably in the next video I'm gonna have some benchmarks of this PC, and who knows, we might as well build it. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked, click the like button below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
and you and I, we got history. Yeah.